If you're wondering how to get started with HR software and want a quick beginner's guide that actually gets to the point, you're in the right place. Stick with me, because in just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up your HR software from scratch, avoid common beginner mistakes, and get your team on board fast. Plus, I'll share a free trial to the HR software I personally recommend, exclusively available to viewers of my channel. Let's dive right in. First, pick the right HR software for your needs. You'll hear names like Gusto, Bamboo HR, Rippling, and Zoho People, but don't get overwhelmed. They all help you do the same core tasks: track employee info, onboard new hires, manage time off, and stay compliant. I've tested the most popular options, and the one I recommend for beginners, because it's the easiest to use and quickest to set up, is linked with a free trial in the description. Once you've signed up, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your company profile. This includes your company name, departments, locations, and working hours. The software usually guides you through this during setup. It takes less than 5 minutes. Next, add your employees. You can do this manually, one by one, or upload a spreadsheet if you already have a list. Most software will let you assign roles, add contact details, job titles, start dates, and employment types: full-time, part-time, contractor, etc. Now comes one of the most important steps: setting up onboarding workflows. Good HR software lets you create a repeatable onboarding checklist. Things like signing contracts, uploading ID, setting up payroll, and assigning training. Automating this saves you hours and makes a great first impression. After that, configure your time off policy. This is where you define how vacation days, sick leave, and public holidays are managed. Most tools have default policies, but you can customize them to match your company's culture. Make sure to enable the self-service portal so employees can request time off directly. You'll also want to integrate payroll if the software supports it, or connect it to your existing payroll system. This way, changes in employee status, hours, or roles are reflected automatically in their pay. Lastly, invite your employees to the platform. They'll get a welcome email, create a login, and from there they can manage their own profiles, request time off, complete onboarding tasks, and access company documents. Now here's the key takeaway. Getting started with HR software doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow a simple setup process: company info, employee data, onboarding, time off, payroll, you'll be up and running in under an hour. Let's quickly recap. Choose beginner-friendly HR software, fill out your company profile, add employees, automate onboarding, customize your time off policy, link payroll, and invite your team. If you want to skip the guesswork and follow along with the software I recommend, the exclusive free trial link is in the description below, only for viewers of this channel. Don't wait until things get messy. Get your HR systems in place now while your team is still growing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.